Quickly build engaging content in your course using HTML templates. This tutorial shows how to download, import, and apply HTML templates in your course. Applying HTML templates requires 3 steps. First, access the Brightspace community to download the HTML templates. Next, import HTML templates in Brightspace Learning Environment. Then, apply a template to content. Search HTML templates. Download the newest version of the Daylight HTML template. Click the link. Then, click the attachment to begin the download. The download displays. Select Open to view the download. The template download contains a zipped folder and a Daylight HTML template guide. Next, navigate to your Brightspace Learning Environment, and then navigate to Course Admin. Note: contact your Brightspace administrator to upload a template package to shared files to access HTML templates in every course offering across the organization. To deploy a template package to your course offering, click Manage Files. Click Upload. Drag and drop the zipped template folder downloaded in the previous step onto the upload target. When you are ready, click Save. The Daylight HTML template will display. Click the Templates context menu and select Unzip. The file will unzip in the background and a confirmation displays. Click OK. Next, we need to enable HTML templates in course content. Navigate to Content. Then, click Settings. Click Enable HTML templates. For easy access to your HTML templates, click Change Path and select the Daylight HTML template folder. When you are ready, click Select Path. Then, click Save. This template package comes with several purpose-built topic types, such as Course Introduction, Module Introduction, Meet Your Facilitator, Basic Page, Elements Page, Image Editing, Video Lecture, and Conclusion pages. For this example, we will create a course introduction. Click Upload Create and select Create a File. Enter a title. Note: applying the template to an existing page will overwrite the content, and you will lose your work. Click Select a Document Template. Select the template you want to apply to the file. For this example, select Course Introduction. Edit the template. For more information about working with HTML templates, reference the Daylight HTML template guide included in the template download. When you are ready, select Publish to share content with learners, or Save as Draft to continue editing at a later date. For this example, click Publish. Your templated content displays. Quickly build engaging content in your course using HTML templates.